Hello everyone, welcome to the world of SQA. This is Tanvir Parvez, Associate SQA Engineer of Nascenia Limited. In our last video, we have discussed some basics of SQA. Today, we will dig a bit deeper. We will learn about different types of testing to assure the quality of a software. So, let's start. This is a formal SQA process. A formal SQA process contains all these steps. The developers develop the software initially. Then comes the responsibility of the SQA engineers to test it. There are several types of testing to ensure quality. The most basic one is the unit testing, which is performed by the developers on individual units or components of a software. It can be done manually but is often automated. Then comes sanity testing, performed at the pre-QA phase. This testing is performed after receiving each new build. Build refers to the process by which source code is converted into a standalone form that can be run on a computer. The main aim of the sanity testing is to check whether the required functionality is working as expected or not. Smoke testing comprises of a non-exhaustive set of tests that aim to ensure that the most important functions are working. When a SQA engineer finds any bugs while testing, it is mandatory to list the bugs and send the report to the considering team. Retesting is running the previously failed test cases again on a new build. The purpose of the retest phase is to ensure that the defects which were found and posted in the earlier build were fixed in the current build. After the retest phase, the SQA team performs integration test to ensure that the portion or module of the system is working as it is supposed to. At integration testing, individual units are combined and tested as a group. Regression testing ensures that previously developed and tested software still performs after all the changes to fix the bugs. Please note that when you fix one bug, you will introduce several newer bugs. So, it is very important to perform a regression test. When the product is ready to launch, then it is time to have an alpha test. It is a type of acceptance testing, which is performed in-house by both the developers and the QA team. It aims to identify all possible issues or bugs before releasing. Beta testing comes after alpha testing. It can be considered as a form of external user acceptance testing. Versions of the software, known as beta versions, are released to a limited audience outside of the programming team. Beta testing adds value to the product because the end users or intended real users validate the product for functionality, usability, reliability, and compatibility. When an application or product perfectly passes all these phases, then comes the release phase. Finally, the application or product is introduced to market. So viewers, I hope from now when you will do QA for any product, then you will follow all the steps of formal SQA process to launch a perfect product. So guys, this is all for today. Now you know about the SQA formal process. More interesting things are upcoming. Till then, take care and stay with us. Have a good day.